Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off a smart screen filter on Windows 11 or 10 PC using Registry Editor. For this, first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open this one Run dialog box and type here Reg Edit and then click on this one OK button. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button. In the registrator, all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to this one system key in the left sidebar. On the right click on the free space and select new and then this one option debug 32-bit value. Name it as enable a smart screen. Then click outside. Now double click on this one debug enable a smart screen and to disable a smart screen, set its value data 0 and in case you want to enable a smart screen, set the value data to 1 and then click on this on OK button. Close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes.